how to add text on CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can add text on CapCut. Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy. If you want to add a text to your video on CapCut video editor, you want to simply open up the CapCut application here, and you want to tap on new project, and you want to tap on the video and load it up on the video that you want to add the text on. Now I'll just open up a certain video right here and tap on add. Right now you can see I've opened it up. Now what you want to do is, now you can see at the bottom edit option, audio option and text option. Simply tap on text option, and here you can see you can add text, you can add speakers, you can add auto captions if it's available, you can add text template, and you can add auto lyrics as well. So if you just want to add text, right, you're gonna simply tap on add text option here at the bottom, and you can see now you can enter your text. Once you enter it, you can resize it from the screen right here, and you can place it by simply dragging it. And at down below here you can see you can edit the length of the text that you have just added. You can lengthen it and you can shorten it, so basically from here. And now if you tap on the text here, you'll be able to add style, you'll be able to choose fonts right here. You can see I'll just change the font. You can choose styles from here and colors from down below. You can increase or decrease size from here. Similarly, you can add effects to it if you want. Effects, and you can see various effects here. You can see animation option that you can add in animation, out animation, or the loop animation, and you can add the bubble effect as well. So this way you can add text. Once you add a text, what you want to do is you can time it here up to which point that you want the text to pop up, and then you can add another text by simply tapping on add text similarly. So this way you can add text on CapCut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.